Otter.ai Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're reviewing Otter.ai, a powerful AI-driven transcription and note-taking tool designed for professionals, students, and teams. Links to the product are in the description below. If you need real-time transcription, automated meeting notes, or searchable audio recordings, Otter.ai is one of the best solutions available today. Otter.ai provides automatic speech-to-text transcription with impressive accuracy, using AI to convert spoken words into written text in real time. It works seamlessly with Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and other conferencing platforms, allowing users to generate instant meeting notes. One of its standout features is live collaboration, where team members can access, edit, and highlight key points in transcripts while the meeting is still ongoing. A major advantage of Otter.ai is its speaker identification feature, which differentiates between multiple voices in a conversation. This is incredibly useful for meetings, interviews, and podcasts. Additionally, it provides summary highlights and keyword extraction, helping users quickly locate important points without reading through entire transcripts. Otter's integration capabilities make it even more versatile. It can connect with calendar apps to automatically join scheduled meetings and record them. The automated slide capture feature in business plans ensures that visuals are saved alongside text, making meeting notes even more comprehensive. The free plan offers 300 minutes of transcription per month with basic features, while the paid plans provide higher limits, advanced collaboration tools, and enhanced integrations. The Otter Assistant in premium plans can join meetings on your behalf and take notes even if you're unavailable, making it ideal for busy professionals. While Otter.ai is incredibly efficient, accuracy may drop with heavy accents or poor audio quality, requiring minor manual edits. However, for most users, the AI does an excellent job of capturing and structuring conversations. Overall, Otter.ai is a must-have for professionals, students, and teams who need fast, searchable, and automated transcriptions. Whether for meetings, lectures, or interviews, it significantly boosts productivity by eliminating the need for manual note-taking. Check out the links in the description to explore Otter.ai today.